Do not spend this 2009 Bicentennial penny because the last thing you want to be doing is accidentally spending this coin or selling it for too little amount of money. These coins are so cool. So you have the birth and early childhood in Kentucky, you have formative years in Indiana, you have the professional life in Illinois, and the presidency in Washington, D.C. These coins are made out of 2.5% copper and the rest of the coin is zinc. This is not financial advice. I do not recommend buying these with the intention of becoming filthy rich, but there are coins in this video that sold for a lot of money, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to be looking out for your coins to be selling for a lot of money. So the first thing you need to know is that the condition of your coin is incredibly important to the value of the coin. If you find one of these coins or you have them in your collection, make sure you don't just toss them around. You want to keep them safe and secure because the condition is king when it comes to the value of the coin. Next, you need to be looking at under the date there on the front of the coin. There's going to be a mint mark or not. If there is no mint mark underneath the date there, that means this coin was minted at the Philadelphia Mint. If you see a D mint mark, that means it was struck at the Denver Mint. And if you see an S mint mark, that stands for the San Francisco Mint, where they typically mint proof coins. Proof coins also typically have a lower mint run compared to other mints like Philadelphia and Denver. A lot of the time it's a simple supply and demand. If there's less coins minted and there is a high demand, that means there's going to be more value in that coin. Let's jump into some coins here. So this one sold for $1,880. So this is a 2009 1 cent professional Lincoln coin. This one graded by PCGS, a mint state 68. Now remember, the highest grade we can achieve in grading is 70, and this one's only 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70, and that's why this coin sold for $1,880. Up next, we have a 2009 D 1 cent Bicentennial coin. Now this is a formative years coin graded by PCGS, a mint state 67, and it sold for $1,880. Here's a 2009 no mint mark. That means it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint coin. Now this one graded by PCGS, a mint state 68, and it sold for $1,938. This coin sold for $4,700, and here's why. So this is a 2009 D Lincoln presidency coin. Now if you immediately look at the coin, you'll see a lot of toning on the coin. You can tell there's a deeper orange reddish color. This can sometimes happen depending on where the coin is stored. The metals in the coin will oxidize with the air and change the color of the coin. That in combination with when it was sold. Maybe it was being sold at a time that two really enthusiastic coin dealers or coin collectors were really wanting to try to buy this coin, and there was a bidding war against each other. That can definitely happen, and this is a great example of a modern coin. Modern considering within the past decade or two. It is crazy for a coin to sell like this, so I recommend if you have one of these coins, do not get it graded, because the chances of you getting this high of a grade out of 68 and it selling for this much is pretty unlikely. But this goes to show this is completely possible with these 2009 pennies, because again, this coin sold for $4,700. If you want to learn more about coin handling, grading, and values, all you got to do is click the link below and enter your email address. It is completely free and I will not spam your email.